it is difficult to find two numbers that multiply to give the product of 11 and 7 and add up to 20. Can you find these numbers? It is challenging, right? Although it is hard to factor, we can easily solve it using the quadratic formula. Since it is in standard form, our first step is to identify the values of the coefficients. A is 11, B is 20, and C is 7. Next, write down the quadratic formula. Then, substitute the values of A, B, and C into the formula. Now, simplify this. Inside the square root, 20 squared is 400. 4 times 11 is 44, and 44 times 7 is 308. In the denominator, 2 times 11 is 22. 400 minus 308 is 92. 92 is not a perfect square, but let's see if we can factor out a perfect square to simplify. Let's do a prime factorization. 92 can be factored into 2 times 46. And 46 can be further factored into 2 times 23, right? Since 23 is a prime number, we cannot factor any further. So, 92 is the same as 2 times 2 times 23, which equals 4 times 23. This means 4 is the highest perfect square we can factor out from 92. Notice that these numbers have 2 as a common factor. So, we can simplify this by dividing each of them by 2, right? You can leave your solution as it is, or you can also write it to show the two solutions separately. Both of them are acceptable ways of writing the solutions. Notice that both this example and the previous one have two real solutions. This happens when the number inside the square root is greater than 0. In the next